Elliot's tool reviews. And the reason we're outside today is because today's video is welding video. And let's get into it. So, first I just want to tell you a tip. If you have an old cooler like this old Snap one I got at Value Village, you could keep your welding supplies in there and it'll keep it nice and dry, because welding rods, you shouldn't let them be outside, and even if you shouldn't let them be introduced to any moisture. And even if you're just doing this at home for fun like I am, maybe even just buy like an old fridge at like the Restore or something, Habitat for Humanity, or we just call it the Restore. Just buy one and then take out the components and then just store them in there, because you don't want them to get wet. But it's nice and warm outside today.
And you might realize we're using a tripod because take one was pretty wobbly. So we decided let's use a tripod. Well, I decided let's use a tripod. I tried to angle the tripod down, but it kept falling, so I'm just holding the tripod to make sure that it won't fall. But yeah, our dad told us that we don't need a welding mask on the camera.
We just got to move it back a little.
Yeah, and that's what we did.
I got my welding mask.
I got my welding mask that I'm going to be using.
And I got my welding mask right here.
And we got Elliot's stick welder.
I got for Christmas.
And that's the plate that he's going to be welding on.
It's a railroad plate. It's pretty rusty, but cleaned up right there a little bit. And I've cleaned up this a little bit. I'm just going to use a wire brush to clean up a little more. Yeah, okay, so let's jump right in.
Alrighty,
Turn on the welder.
Turn on the welder, yeah. And Elliot's got these welding gloves. We think beekeepers should use the welding gloves. Should you get your mask on?
Yeah, because look. Like you
That's
won't
a wire
get
brush.
stung by a bee. This is a thick wire brush, and it isn't going to do anything.
Mask on.
Just
I don't have a mask with me because I'm far enough away from it. So today our goal is to be able to weld a straight line. This is only part 1 out of the welding series. We're going to do a bunch of different parts.
We forgot to do the compressor part 2.
Yeah,
That's coming up.
That's coming up.
We did it like a year ago.
But we don't have any air in the compressor, so yeah. Okay, get ready. Mask down.
Mask up. Can you see through the camera? Can you see the plate?
Yes, I can.
Zoom in.
Okay.
Like zoom in, like at the plate.
I just gotta bring, no, I can't. I can only zoom in. Okay, that's probably enough for zooming in. Yeah.
Okay. Plate, mask up.
Mask up, dude. You can probably see a bit of spark. What happened?
No, never mind.
Okay. You making a line?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Well, that was actually
Let me bring the camera over to.
That was actually a really good straight line.
Or I'll just tilt the camera in so that we can look at it. Wow, that's actually a really nice one. I like it.
Wow, that's really good. That's the best one I've done yet.
Okay.
Okay, so I can probably use a little more of the stick, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's go back in.
Okay. I'm not ready. Not ready. Okay. Mask down.
Yeah. Mask up. That was a pretty good one too.
Wow, I like it.
My bucket.
At the end, we'll also show a preview of all the welds just to inform you guys.
It rained, of course.
Oh, crap.
Well, I guess I could do this. I mean, it'll cool it off.
Oh, sorry, you guys can't see what he's doing.
That's okay, I just put it in the bucket.
Yeah, okay. Okay, get a new stick. So yeah, tell them a bit about the welder.
Well, it's a Mastercraft, a mini. And I got an Atlas Tools sticker on there. If you live in the area of Toronto, check out Atlas Tools. They're at Edpin. It is my favorite
Atlas
store.
Tools and Machinery is what
They're my favorite store. I got two of their shirts, the Milwaukee shirt and the DeWalt shirt. They're awesome. So check them out. And yeah, that little welder, it's pretty powerful. It works well. I like it.
All right. Welder matched down. What?
I was gonna get a Lincoln welder, but I decided this one's fine.
Yeah, because you do have Lincoln rods and a Lincoln, and this is a Lincoln mask.
Yeah, this one isn't a
Lincoln mask.
This one.
What I have, this is a Lincoln mask. What?
That came with Dad's welder.
Yeah, this is a Lincoln mask. Those are Lincoln rods. What he's using.
Yeah. So let's get on.
Okay, let's get down. Mask down. I'm excited to see the overall film when it comes out. Mask up?
Yep.
I'm excited to see what the film's actually gonna look like. And at the end, remember, we're gonna show a preview of what we've welded and such. So yeah, just be patient. If you want to just watch us weld first, and then if you want to skip to the end, you can watch to see what we've welded in the end result. Do you think we're ready to weld a thing together?
Can you pause the video? I just want to show this to Dad.
Okay, so he said that he was gonna see it after the video, but yeah, that was just a kind of rakish thing that we just did. You probably just saw like a little tip thingy that went on. A mask down.
Good.
Mask up.
Yep. That one wasn't that bad.
Yeah. Hopefully Dad will let us weld it on. How about in our part 2 we'll weld something onto it.
Okay.
We'll do like a part 1 today and a part 2 today.
Okay. Mask up.
Okay. Mask up. So I think we'll end the welding there, but we'll show a little preview right now of what we've welded. So So I'll just pause the video real quick while I get the tripods. Oh, we resumed in. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we just got the tripod down, and this is what we've welded in total. So show them a bit.
So it hasn't cooled up. Can't really tell through these gloves. See, this is the pointer. Okay. So I did this weld bead, which I was pretty proud of. It's good penetration. I like it. And then I did this one, which I wasn't as proud of. It's okay, but it isn't that great. Then I got a bunch of just little spots. You know, when I was trying to get it started. The welding beads that came off. That just a glob there, glob there, glob there, glob there, glob there, glob there, kind of a bead, I guess. A little mix. And a few days ago,
I can turn off the welder.
Good idea. Okay, a few days ago, I did this side, which doesn't have that great of stuff on it.
Just a bunch of different beads.
That looks kind of cool, I guess.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a Picasso painting.
Do you even know what that is?
Yeah, it's a painting by Picasso. Where none of his paintings made sense, you get it? Yeah. So I think we'll end the video there. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you don't want it, that's fine. Hit the notification bell. If you want to be notified, hit the notification bell.
If I did anything wrong, please leave it in the comments. Like, if you have any tips for me for welding, please leave those in the comments.
Yep, because for our number 3 video, because we'll be making our number 2 today. So our number 3 video will probably, well, we might be making our number 2 today, but our number 3 video will be in a while. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.